Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. If you install Apple Intelligence on an unsupported device with the Nugget app, and when you want to repair Face ID, you will lose Apple Intelligence on your device. So you have to choose between Face ID or Apple Intelligence. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence without losing Face ID. Before that, make sure you activate Apple Intelligence on unsupported devices first by watching this video. When it is active, I will show you how to fix Face ID and keep Apple Intelligence working on your device. Look at this, my Face ID is not working but Apple Intelligence still working. So I will fix Face ID and keep Apple Intelligence still working when fixed Face ID. First of all, open Nugget app again. Then connect your device to Nugget. Then go to Edgeability section. Select the spoof models to none. Then go to Apply section. Select Mobile Gestalt file that you created from your device. Then click Apply Changes to fix Face ID. Your device will automatically restart. Then I will show the method for keeping Apple Intelligence working after unspoofing. After your device restarts, turn on airplane mode to fix Face ID and keep Apple Intelligence. And lock your iPhone screen to try Face ID, and you will see the Face ID is working. After that, try Apple Intelligence again when your device is in airplane mode. As you can see, Apple Intelligence is still working on your device. To keep Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, please don't open the Apple Intelligence menu in Settings. Because if you open Apple Intelligence settings, the Apple server will detect your device and revert to old Siri. Opening it again will break it and revert Siri, and you will lose Apple Intelligence. So, as long as you don't open Apple Intelligence settings, your Apple Intelligence will still work and your Face ID can also be used again. Not only that, the chat writing tool also works as usual. I've been using this trick for 3 days, and until now my iPhone has Apple Intelligence and Face ID still work. So, as long as you don't open Apple Intelligence settings, your Apple Intelligence will still work and your Face ID can also be used again. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below or join to our Telegram discussion so I will help you to fix this issue. See you on the next video.